Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to get Tomodachi Life Living the Dream on PC in a simple and safe way. First, you need to understand that this version is a fan-made or modded experience based on the original Tomodachi Life, so it is not officially available on PC. To play it, you will need a Nintendo 3DS emulator, like Citra, installed on your computer. Go to the official Citra website, download it, and complete the installation process. Next, you'll need the game file, along with the Living the Dream mod files, which should be applied correctly to the base game. Once you have everything ready, open Citra and load the modified game file. After launching, you can configure controls, graphics, and performance settings for smoother gameplay. Make sure your PC meets basic requirements to avoid lag or crashes. Also, always download files from trusted sources to stay safe. Once set up, you can enjoy the enhanced Tomodachi Life experience directly on your PC. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.